What a one, my black woman and sisters. Ladies, my black woman and sisters, the path chosen for you as a woman in birth pang. Your preachers, teachers, mothers, and variances in colors, romantic lovers, nurturers of life. Without any fault of your own, the atrocites of your sons, fighting for freedom. My sisters, the tears you cried from labor that was joy of life have now become tears caused by death. When you cried, your tears fell hard to the ears of the earth. I swore I heard your moans in the thunder, saw your anger in the lightning, felt your tears in the rain as heavy as they fell. Each teardrop echoed your pain. When you cried, my sisters, we all cried with you too.